In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Calendar to Zoho CRM. To get started, log into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're inside the dashboard, head to the top right corner of the screen and click the setup icon, which looks like a small gear. This is where you'll find the system settings and integrations for your CRM. After that, look for the marketplace section. Inside that area, select Google. This will open the Google integration settings available in Zoho CRM. From there, open the Calendar tab, since that's where the calendar connection options are managed. Next, click Authenticate Google Calendar. As soon as you do that, a small sign-in window will appear. In that window, sign into your Google account. Make sure you choose the correct account if you manage more than one, especially if your work calendar is separate from your personal one. Once you've signed in, Google will ask you to review the permissions Zoho CRM is requesting. Allow the requested permissions, then click Continue. After that, you may be asked to confirm what level of access you want to allow Zoho. Select the access you want to grant, then click Continue again to move forward. At this point, a pop-up should appear from the top of the screen. This is where you'll configure how the sync will work. First, use the first drop-down field to select the calendar you want to sync. Be careful here and choose the right calendar, because this determines which events will be shared between Google Calendar and Zoho CRM. Next, choose your sync option. If you want updates in both platforms to stay aligned, choose two-way sync. This means changes made in Google Calendar and Zoho CRM will synchronize both ways. If you only want events created in Zoho CRM to appear in Google Calendar, select Zoho CRM to Google Calendar. And if you want events from Google Calendar to be sent into Zoho CRM only, choose Google Calendar to Zoho CRM. If you'd like, you can also enable the option to automatically block time in Zoho CRM based on your Google Calendar meetings. This can be especially helpful if you want to avoid double booking and keep your availability accurate. Once everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your Google Calendar is now linked to Zoho CRM. After saving, it's a good idea to quickly check that your selected sync direction and calendar are correct, so your events flow exactly the way you want.